Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Jeffree here, back with another video, and today I'm super excited to be trying out the new Bloodlust collection. I'm freaking out because I feel like this is like the collection I've been waiting for. I'm such a purple type of person and this collection is just everything. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. I will be doing another giveaway in today's video. I've been just giving back to you guys and just has been feeling so good. I'm gonna be giving away 2 Bloodlust palettes. In today's video, all you guys need to do is stay tuned to find out how to be entered. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me what you guys think about the colors, what you think about the palette, what you think about the lipsticks, and let's get started. Okay, so obviously you guys have already seen the palette. The texture of this palette is like so luxurious. I feel like I'm inside Chanel, just like, you know, stealing their like most prized possession jewels or prized precious. Anyways. Oh my gosh, guys, look how beautiful it is. I have not touched it or swatched it. Obviously, you guys can see it's been played with. This is actually not my palette. My friend is nice enough to let me borrow theirs. But, you guys, these colors are everything. I was saying in Instagram Live that I really wanted this palette to be mostly pastelish purples. And I just feel like he really came out with that. I know a lot of people were upset because Blue Blood and Blood Sugar are very true to the colors, the blue and the red. But I feel like when it comes to purple, there's so many purple palettes. So I really like the fact that he did something different. Right off the bat, I feel like there's a couple shades that don't fit the red. I don't really understand it. I get the pop of color. This color is absolutely sickening. So I'm not gonna really say it doesn't belong, but it kind of does, kind of doesn't. The rest of the shades definitely go together. I think it's a very pretty palette and it's definitely pleasing to the eye. So I guess that probably is why he put them in. So let's go ahead and swatch shades. On my channel, I just swatched only a couple shades that I'm really interested in, and I will say Wet Jewel is just stunning. Oh my god, it feels so creamy. She's blinding. Let's try Divient? I don't know. Oh, okay, I thought it was really chalky, but it actually looks pretty good. And then let's try High King. This shade is really unique. It feels very pressed. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. This shade right here. That came off very good. I'm not expecting anything less. Let's try Bleeding Heart. Oh, swatched good. Okay. I got no complaints so far. Let's try this one, Sworn Enemy, you guys. Oh, it feels like butter. Oh, girl, that shade matches my hair, green. So let's go ahead and swatch these. We have Sworn Enemy. Oh, wow. Divient? I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I probably 100% am. Then we have Wet Jewel. Ooh. I was definitely expecting more from Wet Jewel. Maybe it's just kind of like a topper shade, but it's really pretty still. And then we have High King. That's swatched really nice. And then we have Bleeding Heart. Ooh, that swatched really nice. Oh, those colors are so pretty, you guys. So next in the collection, we have the Extreme Frost. I'm gonna go through these quite quickly because I know you guys have already seen them. This is absolutely amazing, and I love using Jeffree's Extreme Frost on my eyes. You can see right next to Bleeding Heart. So stunning, no words. And then we have the lipsticks, which I really love Jeffree's formula. You guys know that. Super pretty, a lot of new shades. And lastly, we have the glosses. Of course, there's mirrors and apparel as well. But oh, you guys, I just recently, like, I liked Jeffree's glosses, but recently I've just been falling in love with them. I just feel like they don't mess up liquid lipsticks, and that's what I love. These 2 shades right here, you guys, oh my god, these 2 are my favorite. This one is called Sorcery, and this one is called Iridescent Throne. Enough talking, let me zoom you in. Okay, so I'm not gonna be using any base, any P. Louise, anything like that, because I want to give this palette a real test, you know? I want to really test the waters. So, there's a lot of shades I want to use in here, but pastels are my favorite shades, you guys. I'm gonna go in first with this shade that I just cannot pronounce. Divient. It's like a periwinkle purple. It's very interesting. And I'm just gonna be taking that shade. Ooh, a lot came on the brush. And just starting to tap it on here. Because these are purple shades and pastel shades, I'm not expecting the most insane, I was about to say, I'm not expecting the most insane pigment, but I guess Jeffree said otherwise. I cannot believe that's how it looks after only 3 dips. Like, that is actually insane. It blended itself. Let's go into the shade Vivid Mood first. So I'm just gonna kind of messily put that there. It already blended itself. Do we expect anything less? No. And by the way, don't try me. A lot of people, and I'll name them, come for me and say, oh,
you're not unbiased because you like Jeffree and yeah, and you like his formula already, but
like, well, duh, girl, duh. You go to Anastasia and you expect perfection. You go to Jeffree's palettes and you expect perfection. Obviously, if something goes wrong, you will see it, period. Don't come for me, girl. I didn't get this in PR. Jeffree ain't paying me, but I really wish he was. Next, we're gonna go into Blood Queen, this nice purple shade. Honestly, like the only true royal purple shade. I'm gonna be honest, I am a little bit scared to use this shade just because I'm not using a tacky base. I'm gonna go back into that vivid mood and Devent, whatever that shade is. I just have a feeling I'm already gonna get dragged. It's a little bit patchy. Now going back into Blood Queen, just deepening this up. Oh shit, I was so happy. You guys, this is about to be my #1 palette. Like, I'm actually shocked. I was assuming that this royal purple shade, Blood Queen, was gonna be bad. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was gonna be the shade that I'd be like, sorry guys, but this shade wasn't really doing it for me, but girl, she did more than do it for me. Oh wow. And also, I'm so excited for Jeffree's new palette. Like, he's really about to end everybody that owns a brand in the beauty community. I'm gonna take a concealer brush and a tiny bit of concealer, just a very little, you guys can see right here, the smallest amount, and just start tapping it right here. And this is gonna start giving us some space for more eyeshadow. So girl, I'm ready for those shimmers. Now on a big tapered fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade, ooh, let's go into Beauty Sleep first and just tap that all over where we just placed the concealer, kind of leaving the inner part a little bit bare. Okay, I'm so sorry, my camera stopped recording. I put that on where I placed the concealer. I wasn't really living for it, didn't really give me the sparkle effect I wanted, so I take the crown on top of it, which really enhanced it, and then in the inner corner I put Wet Jewel, which is so sickening, and it's just so pretty. Now, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. I'm gonna take my Extreme Frost Choking on Ice, this is the purple one, and I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush and just barely, you guys, barely tap into this and just place it right on top. Especially when you use a natural hair fluffy brush, just really enhances it. Wow, so pretty. Now I'm gonna be taking the shade Royal Pain, this really pretty like rosy color. I'm gonna use that as a transition into my blush. I really love Jeffree's eyeshadows as blushes. So pretty, oh my gosh. That shade is everything as blush. Come on, texture. Come on, beauty guru with real skin. Messed up eyebrows. Better work. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Add some lashes, mascara, you know, the whole 9. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I popped on my favorite lashes. And I also did a little trick. I used the shade I'm Vulgar as bottom mascara. It's so pretty. Let's move on to the highlighter and Choking on Ice. I really want to try this, you guys. I'm gonna take it on a finger, tap it where you want it to be the most pigmented, take a different finger and blend it. Ooh, going again and just build up this way. Because these are so extreme, you guys. Oh yes. Ooh, Lord. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Scorpio and I think the shade Iridescent Throne. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look using the Bloodlust collection. I will say that it's hard to say over and over again, but I am obsessed with it. I love the eyes so much. I wanted to do something a little bit subtle because everyone's going out of the box doing all these crazy looks. So I wanted to show you guys, if you love purple, you can do an everyday type of look. I will say the lip combo wasn't my favorite. I wasn't expecting it to be blue. The highlighter, is she a must? Not in my opinion, but I do like her. It's still really sickening. But for me, these are more for eyeshadow and they're $50, kind of pricey. But I love everything. No bad review on anything. Check out this collection, you guys. But like I said in the beginning of today's video, I'm gonna be giving away 2 of the Bloodlust palettes. All you guys have to do is be subscribed, follow me on IG at cohlsworld, comment where you're from and your IG handle so I can reach you. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you divas in the next one. Bye everyone.